Friends, I am Gijo here. I am a blogger, author and entrepreneur. I am at Thattekad Bird Sanctuary today. I went for a walk inside the forest and you have to take 50 rupees ticket. Thattekad is called Dr.SALIM Bird Sanctuary and the famous bird watcher Salim Ali, scientist, environmentalist Salim Ali used to come here. And this is a typical rainforest. More than 332 varieties of birds are here. You can take permission and go inside. Watch the birds, animals, and this is a trail where the elephants are also here. You can get down at Thattekad junction and there is a check post here. I will show you the area. I just completed the trail. It's about 1 kilometer. This trail is dangerous sometimes because the wild elephants are here. There's a beautiful bamboo trees. There's a check post. This is a forest check post. I want to show you this place. This is a forest area. And you can come here. This is the hut. You have to show the ticket here and explore this place. This is the location. This is the location of Thattekad Bird Sanctuary entrance. I will show you more. See, Dr.SALIM Ali Bird Sanctuary. This is the location. This is the location. So if you are coming to this place, you come here, explore this area, and there is a fun that you can enjoy this place very well. The road is there behind me. This traffic is there. Okay. So this is the biggest bird sanctuary in South India. See the place. This is the entrance. Come here, have fun. Today there was very few tourists, only I was there. But I explored and I had a wonderful time. Thank you very much, friends. Please visit this place. In my blog I have posted all the videos and pictures. So I welcome you to Kerala.